Isihlehlezo seshiya isiprofethi esishiye sishaqisa abaningi ngesenzo sangizwa sawubona kuphi nakuphi la kufuneka khona lo musa njengamanje awusuku lakho lokuqala langicothoza okulungile upresse i-subscribe button mlalelo lami ngiyobingelela kuphi nakuphi la kufuneka khona lo musa njengamanje Isihlehlezo usekhiphe isiprofethi esishaqisayo njengoba ungizwe bememezela ukuthi namhlanje engase ekhonopya eyolwela abasebenzi kuyibona abaqashwa ngokungemthetho nendlela abaphethwe ngayo nokurojwa kwabasebenzi laphana-ke ekhonopya Isihlehlezo-ke usekhiphe isimemezelo sokuthi abaseduze nongizwa bamtshela ukuthi cha indlela yakhe imnyama akangayi ekhonopya namhlanje okungenzeka uyolala bali bemningi imbono yabantu lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana abanye bebuza ukuthi ungizwe umbuka wena unendaba yini nokuboshwa njengoba-ke ungizwe wake waboshelwa into ey'ngaka ngokulwa kwakhe abanye-ke basho nokusho ukuthi cha le ndlela ungizwe kufanele ukuthi ayihambe ukuze-ke amandiya ayeke ukuxhaphaza abantu bakithi ngaphandle komusho cha sakho mhlawumbe ungazi ukuthi ungizwe uya ekhonopya uyokwenzana singene kuyona-ke ividiyo bese kuba wena oshoyo ukuthi ungizwe ngabe u-wrong yini noma ngabe u-right ngesinqumo sakhe sokuthi alwele abasebenzi abaxhashazayo na-ke ividiyo kangizwe ekhuluma ukuthi kuyokwenziwani ekhonopya njengoba-ke ethe uyovala nci namuhla
Nginibingelele engazi ukuthi Ningizimu Afrika nonkane kuphi nakuphi la kufinyelela khona-ke ingizwe online ngamagagasi moya ungizwe umlando womcuno untokazi ebudabula ngasamqomo ngoba zimntana ukudabuka ngenkandla emahlata amnyama ngumongameli wamabhinca obhekene nezinkinga ezi-serious usizo lomuntu omnyama usizo lomuntu omnyama eNingizimu Afrika luyesabeka la uthola khona abantu beqashwa emsebenzini kanti kudlalwa ngabo kube ngcono ngisho umuntu ongasebenzi at all bengazi mina ukuthi kwi-employment sector usize lungaphezulu ulodlula ngisho umuntu ongasebenzi kuhlatshwe imbuzi ekhaya kubongwe kuthiwe uthole igama manje usetohweni kuba yithemba lelo emndenini kuba yithemba emakhaya ngakho-ke engikusho njengamanje sithema ngabe siya ngimenywa ingane lapha ezisebenza eziqhashazwa amandiya Freedom Stationery sathola ukuthi enkampanini yabo Mateshcom Khonopya kanye nale eGlen NL lapho ukukhombisa ukuthi izinga lokuxhashazwa kwabantu abamnyama beqhashazwa ngamandiya through sexual harassment ukungakhokhelwa ngendlela fanele bekhokhelwe ngayo ukungathola amabonasi ukungatholi izimo zokusebenza Palm Stationery kwenzeka into efanayo sakhuluma-ke nabo-ke Palm Stationery bakhombisa ilink yokuthi bayayibona iy'nkinga abayidalile nomonakalo abawudalile kubantu abamnyama okungewona kuphela-ke lawo mafactory amafactory maningi kakhulu ngisho koGoli ngisho koMpumalanga iy'nkinga yiningi zinenkinga eserious ye-agent ebizwa kuthiwa uDupro lo uchaphaza abantu emathrakini kufonelwa zinsiza zakomandeni zisho zithi konakele mfowethu nathi sobe sikhona kwi-shutdown ezokwenzeka ekhonopya la silwela khona isithunzi somuntu omnyama silwela ukuthi abafowethu nodadewethu ababuyele emsebenzini ngoba bamisiwe baxoshwa unlawfully onomthetho lokuthiwa ulast in first out mangabe ethiwa inkampani iya-retrenja noma iyadiliza awuzange uzusetshenziswe lo mthetho loyo kwavele kwakhethwa abantu ngokwama-favorites ezimanager kanye nani noDupro sadutshulwa salinyazwa emveni kwalokho ekudutshulweni kwethu silinyazwa laphana the majority of employees there are women and it's a very sad story to tell that the abuse of Indian owned fat companies and the majority of them that are owned by Indians are continuously abusing abantu abamnyama. Enough is enough. We'd rather die and be killed than live in a disaster like this. It's a shame. They promised us the meeting and in front of the police officers under oath. And then when the meeting that was supposed to take place on the next day during that time at 11 a.m. And then when we come, it didn't take place. They said, no, they've changed their mind. And during them changing their minds, the disaster occurs because they ordered police officers to come and shoot at us. One of the senior police officers ordered the POP to shoot at us. And some of the people that were shot there, they're still sick today. They're attending medical doctors, just like myself. So I want to set the record straight that Bester, Phoenix, Konopia, we will never tolerate the disrespect of the human black skin under the Indian fetishes companies that are owned by them. So now is the time that we take the matter forward. We put more pressure on you. In fact, how do we do it? You will see when this happens. But we want to be very clear and straightforward. No vandalization of property, no illegal activities that will take place. We fight peacefully. We fight for justice until we win. We will protest until we win. I cannot sit down and hold my hands and assume someone will make a change. If I'm the hope of the society, while the people that supposed to lead us are busy running around with talk shows, Babonilo, Ramaphosa le or Northwest, believe them talk shows. Anga sizimuntu, anga indawo, empty promises. I am here, njengongizomkhulu, ukusho ukuthi kumnyama kubomvu siyangena khonapha. Kumnyama kubomvu iyahlasela impi yokulwela umsebenzi, iyahlasela impi yokulwela amalungelo abasebenzi, iyahlasela impi yokubuyisela abantu emsebenzini, iyahlasela impi yokuthi abantu abaqinisekise ukuthi bahola amaholo abafanele ngokwesivumelwano sabo necontract yabo. Lapha Palm Stationery, they've called us for another meeting to make sure that we clarified all the issues, because I also spoke to them. No. What you have promised us on December, it must happen. Some of the employees, they just came to me and told me that some of the promised, they've never been fulfilled. But thank you for your response that on an urgent basis, we are going to meet and resolve those issues. The staff that were supposed to be kept permanent, they will get permanent. The staff that were going to continuously be temporal, and those who will receive the verbal warming, and all what you have been promised, it will happen. I can assure you on that one, because we have no time to play here. We really have no time to play. But for your cooperation, Mr. Khan, and we acknowledge that, because you have acknowledged that you have under your management wash, our people have been abused, and you are willing to make sure that you put all the truckers back on the line, which we acknowledge. And what's failing Freedom Stationery to do the same? What is failing Freedom Stationery to do the same? So that kuzozichitheka igazi, kuzokufa abantu bona bagijima bafuna ukuzivimba ngayo yonke indlela, babiza amaphoyisa bayawagwazela ayakhokhela ukuthi awasidobule asibulale. Amafema amaningi agcwele lapha eKonopia, usizi lodwa ayaxhashazwa, abantu abamnyama bayaxhashazwa. Usizi lomuntu omnyama ungcono umuntu ongasebenzi ohlele ekhaya. Usize engilibuka usuku nosuku, usize engilibuka emafemini, usize ogcwele efonini yami befona abantu. Apha ama-agent abantu abamnyama azolela abantu abamnyama ngeqiniso, azokwazi ukuthi uma engenile enkampanini alwazi usizo lukamama nobaba elishiye ekhaya. So we need an agent wake-up call, because this is a disaster country. Yabona kuyi-workplace ayikho le nto bafowethu, ayikho le nto. Sizi lodwa abantu beholelo 3,000 ngenyanga. khona abanye abade bengifonela balapha eKing Cetshwayo kuthiwa bangaphansi kamasipala kanti bangaphansi kwenye inkontileka laphana baba baxova usimende usuku nosuku kwakhiwa angazi isikhungo samanzi kanjani isalary yabo ibizwa umasipala abantu ababiza inkontileka bahola 10 times better nabantu bona bebengaphansi kwamasipala amanyala enzeka kwi-workplace. I'm going to expose all those things ukuthi chaba kwethu asiyidingi izinto ezinjengalezo uchaphazela abantu bakithi abamnyama. Nizosiphatha kanjani si-angry? Nizosiphatha kanjani? How can you lead an angry society? How can you lead an angry nation? Time is now. Economy siyangena. Sizomisa yonke into inganyakazi. Silwele isithunzi somuntu omnyama. Silwela umuntu ukuthi akasebenze engaphansi kwenkululeko. Isilwela umuntu omnyama ukuthi abuyele emsebenzini ku-freedom stationary. Alukho udlame, akuqekezwa, akutatshwa, senza okufanele ukuthi siqhinqe ngaphandle kwenkampani okuyiyona exhaphaza abantu abamnyama. Ziyakhala manje. Sohlangana. Kodwa lishona nendaba zayo, imfungo. Ummiso nomatshana.